How to add color tags on Dropbox. Now, they don't have an inbuilt feature for this. So what we need to do is use an external website. So come here, open up a new tab and just search for color emojis. Okay, copy, paste. I found this website. It's really good. emojidb.org/color-emojis, right? Come to this website, choose any emoji you want, and then it will automatically copy. For example, let's say I want this one. Just click on it. It will copy to my clipboard. I will choose, let us do purple. We'll do purple. We'll come back to Dropbox, any folder you want to rename. Let's say I want to rename this folder right here. Scroll down, click on the settings cog right here, and go ahead and click on rename. Now here, let me add a space. Let me add a space to this. Let me do that again. Add a space and just Control V to paste the color. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. We have changed the name and we've added a color tag.